guys, honey coupons. Yeah, you heard of it, but you don't know whether honey is a scam or not. And if it's not a scam, how does honey make money? Yeah, it's a big question which comes to the every YouTube user who has seen the honey ads. So the businessman is there to discuss you or to tell you how does honey make money. Yeah, so stay tuned, and we will definitely learn some learnings from the video as an entrepreneur. Now attention, it's a disclaimer. All the information provided in this video are fully based on internet research and personal business knowledge. We are not doing any sort of promotion or defamation of the company on which case study is made. The Businessman YouTube channel is not responsible for any sort of discrepancies to the company. If anyone have any problem related to the content, please bring the matter to our concern before any legal proceedings. Everyone are requested to analyze all these points carefully and to understand them logically. Any infringement was not done on purpose and will be rectified to all party satisfaction. Now, here are some points which I am going to discuss before going directly into the learning or into the lessons. What is a honey coupon? History or the background of the honey coupons, working model of honey, business strategy of honey, revenue model of honey, strategic impact on world economy and businesses, your learning as an entrepreneur from the revenue model as proposed by honey. Is it a scam or an advantage? You all are requested to analyze all these points carefully so that you can implement each of them in your businesses successfully. Now, what's a honey? Or what is a honey coupon? Honey is a browser extension that automatically finds and applies coupon codes at checkout with a single click. It's nothing to do with the honey that we eat every day in the morning. Let's go into the background. Once Ryan Hudson dreamed of having a pizza with a coupon, so he searched, and then the idea of online coupons came to a strike into his mind. And then George Rivan and Ryan Hudson had partnered in 2012 to form a company named Honey, headquartered at Los Angeles of California. Both of them worked hard, very hard, and the company Honey evolved. In 2012, it was so big, its valuation was so big that the giant PayPal acquired this company with $4 billion. Yeah, you heard it right. PayPal acquired it with $4 billion. So the next question which should come in your mind as an entrepreneur is, why did PayPal acquire it? What Honey does so that it has been acquired by PayPal with such a huge amount. Now, Honey is a free browser extension that automatically finds and applies coupon codes at checkout for over 30,000 shopping sites or even more. Once Honey is installed, you will see the Honey icon in the top right corner turned orange on Chrome, Firefox, Opera and Edge when you are on a shopping site supported by Honey. Okay, the browser extension Honey provides coupons for online shoppers and enables consumers to acquire purchase rebates. And so what's more? Yeah, there is something more. Stay tuned. There's something more. First and foremost, it's free. Nextly, you can get Honey Cold, which you can redeem to get real cash. You can get gift cards, and also it's a time saving. You don't need more time to search for coupon codes. Honey automatically does it for you. Now comes the working model of Honey. Honey extension adds on to the browser. Whenever any customer opens an e-commerce site or an online transactional website, Honey analyzes the product and automatically finds a coupon code for the product to obtain maximum discount in the product for the customer. Sounds cool, no? It's the customer searching for the website for the coupon code with the help of Honey. Moreover, Honey shows the price change for a product for a certain period of time and also sends emails or affiliates to the customer at the time when the price is predictably least over a certain period of time. This potential customer gets the least price with the help of Honey. So, sounds cool. Now comes the most interesting part of this video, the revenue model of Honey, the analytics and the revenues generated by Honey, the predictable causes of its exponential growth. Firstly, Honey earns from the affiliate links of the merchant. Secondly, Honey does advertisements of the products of the merchant. Most important is that the most important point is the companies pay them directly to promote their brands. They promote the brands in their apps or in their platforms, which creates recall value in the minds of the consumers. For every purchase you make using Honey link, Honey receives few percent of the transaction. Sometimes it's 0.5%, sometimes it's 10%, depends on the merchant. Honey then shares a percentage of the commission to the customer, and this is how you get the money. Okay, and also this is how Honey makes money. So you eventually understand how the exponential growth of Honey has occurred over time. Now the question is, why PayPal paid a huge money for it? Is it worthy of it? Or why Amazon told its user to uninstall Honey? Instead, PayPal paid a huge amount. Sounds contradictory. Now comes the actual scenario. Honey extension can analyze the orders of the customers, so it can convert the leads of one e-commerce platform to other e-commerce platform, which may sell their product at a lower price from the former by sending the customer affiliate links. Let's see an example. You are a potential customer of Amazon. Amazon and Flipkart are competitors. Now you want to purchase a product from Amazon which cost 100 rupees at Amazon. Now you know the Amazon knows that you want the product, Honey knows that you want the product, but Flipkart doesn't know. Honey sees that at Flipkart the price of the product is at 80 rupees, at a more discounted price. So what will Honey do? Honey will send an affiliate link of Flipkart to you where the cost of the product is 80 rupees. So you will definitely purchase the product from Flipkart. Now you are a potential customer of Amazon, but you purchase the product from Flipkart. So the lead generation has been converted to Flipkart with the help of Honey. You get the most advantage because you are getting the product at a discounted price. Flipkart gets advantaged. Flipkart earns his money, and also Honey gets his commission, and Amazon loses its potential customer. Okay, it's just an example. Honey. So Honey, what does? Honey will create an artificial competition in the market of e-commerce. Okay, for that Honey is unique. In this case, Honey has gave advantage to Flipkart, and Amazon is a loser in this case. Okay, and seeing this, Amazon told its customers to uninstall Honey because it may damage the sale of Amazon. Okay, so basically what Honey does is Honey converts the leads of one e-commerce platform to other, and it will decrease the lead generation of one e-commerce platform from one customer to another. Okay, here in this case Honey has given advantage to Flipkart. Flipkart wins the competition from Amazon. It's just an example. I am giving the knowledge of business through it with the help of this example. It's the main business strategy of Honey. Now comes the strategic impact on e-commerce business and world economy. Let's go through it and analyze it. Okay, these are based on datas. Okay, these are not only on my personal experience. These are based on datas. I repeat, these are based on datas. So keep them in mind. Income of Honey will increase exponentially as Honey knows when and what product to show its potential customer, because it has the knowledge. It tracks the minds of the consumers. It knows which consumer wants which product. Each and every e-commerce website will make partnership with Honey for business promotion and lead generation. Okay, Honey will definitely rule the world online marketplace. It will capture the largest market cap than any other e-commerce or coupon sites. Customers will be benefited as they will get the items at the most discounted price. The e-commerce websites will have a cutthroat competition for sustaining in this market. Okay, they will have to face a cutthroat competition for sustaining in the market. Now, what's your learning as an entrepreneur from the business model and the business strategy of Honey? First and the foremost, analyze the market need, make a problem-solving product, and launch it in the market, and then analyze it. Okay, just like Honey, make a product so that you can create a competition among the largest market players. You should have the potential to be the competition, not the competitors. Customer is the everything in this marketplace. Okay, so take care of the consumers or the customers as partners. Maintain an ecosystem in the market and also take competitive advantage. Create an entry barrier in your operational niche. If any new e-commerce platform has to enter into the e-commerce business, he has to make a partnership with Honey. Otherwise, he will not be anywhere in this competitive environment. Okay, you should understand that point. This businessman, if he wants to build an e-commerce site, he has to make a partnership with Honey. Otherwise, he can't sustain alone. So, is Honey a fraud? Huh? Obviously, no. Whatever Honey is doing is mentioned in its policy, though not clearly stated, but it can't be considered as fraud lawfully. Moreover, customers will be most benefited, and the e-commerce platforms will be competing, causing exponential decrease in their sales or profit. Surely people will take advantage of Honey and will get benefited. Now, as a consumer, you are most benefited. Okay, but if you are a market player, you should have to worry about it. There are some predictions by our channel. In the upcoming 2 to 3 decades, Honey will be the market leader. New e-commerce platforms or new e-commerce players like JioMart or new upcoming players will have to accept the Honey legacy. Honey will emerge as a leading cost-saving platform or a cost-saving tool to the customer, and will build a bondage with the customers. In the long run, the owners of Honey, now it's PayPal, will expand their businesses or empires by multiple times, by various times, they will see an exponential growth in their empires. The Businessman YouTube channel is an educational channel for entrepreneurs and business developers. It's not a comic channel or an entertainment channel. It's only for intellectuals and those who wants to learn business scientifically. Here I am going to discuss about business models and revenue models, revenue generation of the developing companies which have developed their companies from grassroots levels. Okay, I am going to discuss here the reasons of the failure of the successful businesses like Kingfisher Airlines and also like the Anil Ambani's businesses. I will give you the learning from each case study so that any entrepreneur can implement them in their businesses. And you should keep in mind that you are the only one who can create difference by learning from these lessons. Now, for business development, individuals or corporates can contact me at WhatsApp number 755-780-2472. Thanking you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the Businessman YouTube channel. Remember always, your one share can change the fate of your struggling friend or family member who is facing difficulties in running a successful business. It's up to you. Now write in the comment section on which topic you want the next video. Okay.